So hey guys, welcome back to my channel JNT Explainer. See, in this video I will be going to share you a trick or some type of information which can be so helpful for you all, because in my EPSET days I use this trick to get a very good college seat. And to be honest, if you use this, I hope that you will also get a very good seat or upgrade seat. Or if you don't get any, if you didn't get any seat in your phase 1, then I am sure that you will definitely get a seat. See, before saying the trick, I want to show you all how you can check your allotment results. See, this is the first option where you have to click and you have to enter your entire details. And after you enter your details, see if the details are correct, it will show that if you are allotted a seat, then it will show that you have been allotted a seat in so and so college. And if you didn't get a seat, it shows that no seat allotted. And I hope you all should get a seat and you have got a seat in your dream colleges. And if you didn't get a seat, no problem at all, don't panic. Use the trick which I will be showing you in few seconds. See, you will be seeing some third option here, right? See, college wise list of provisionally selected candidates phase 1. See, just click that. And now what you need is your phase 1 web options list. See, keep your web options list ready. And now, for example, see, the college which I suggested to my friend in the phase 1 web options list was, like in correct order, Bharat Institute. Now go to Bharat Institute and he's a CSC student, so CSC. And now you will be seeing the list of students that got a seat in Bharat Institute CSC. Now they only 8 students got the seat there. That means you have more 10 seats. And in the 10 seats, see, if you are someone from BCB, then don't try, because already 4 seats are taken over by BCB category. So if you are someone from SC, ST and BCE, then try here, you will definitely get a seat. In the same way, now again go back, and if your rank is around 1 to 500, go and search into Chaitanya Bharati and Chaitanya Bharati AIDS. Now see, around all 13 seats are taken in the phase 2. That means some of them will keep this, or some of them will go for different options. So we'll assume that 10 of the students have accepted and 3 of them left. That means still 8 seats are there. And in these 8 seats, if your category is not present here and your rank is around 100 to 500, you can definitely keep your web options here in with Chaitanya Bharati AIDS. In the same way, let's check for JNTU. See, JNTU CSC. Now in this CSC, you will be seeing that around 20 students have been got a seat in phase 1. Now after like taking the web options and your rank, try to cross check all your ranks. See, the cutoff here can be around 500 to 550, because the highest rank here is 552. In the same way, if your rank is around 300 to 400, try. Now what the main thing which didn't get you a seat here is, they are selecting in the basis of gate score and PGCET score. And see, if you have opted this before like so many options, then that could be the reason that you didn't get a seat. And most of the times what I have seen is, they don't try to create a list, they don't try to create the proper structure how to keep the web options. They just follow their elder brothers, or they follow some of the elder seniors, and they try to copy their friends web options. That's the reason they don't get a seat allotted. See, web options is a thing that needs to be done like individually, based on their practices and based on their interest. Now if my friend is someone who should get a seat in MTech, how I cannot copy his web options for a CSC seat. My CSC seat should be different from his MTech web options, right? In the same way, try to check all the colleges if you want. See, there are totally around 2 to 200 colleges here. Now for every 200 colleges, see, in these 200 colleges or options, they are almost all of the branches covered. So if you are someone who is just targeting for CSC, then the work is so easy, right? Just go and for every college select CSC. Then after selecting the CSC, choose that option. For example, let's go for this college, BVRIT, Computer Science and Engineering. I will search. Now see, only 8 seats are filled, and that too with PGCET. I think this is for PGCET score. And now around 10 seats are still empty, right? And here ST category, BC category are not even added here. That's the reason You need to be so wise here. Cross check all the colleges, all the branches, take the usage time, and what you need to do is don't follow anyone. Just you sit down and you create a list so that you will be knowing that you have worked hard to get a seat. And if you have any other doubt, try to comment down. I will answer you all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.